So these two motorcycles are going to launch from the house of Java. So unveiling is going to happen pretty much soon. So do stay tuned till then. A couple of minutes later, I think so the unveiling is going to happen. And so commenting section, comment box below so that I must know how much of a big enthusiast are you. And so bear with me. And so very soon you will know which motorcycle is this. So these are the two motorcycles from the house of Java has been launched today on this very special date, the 26th July 2021. And if you don't know about this day, so today is the Kargil Divas. In 1999 India won against Pakistan. So to celebrate that, Java has launched on this date, especially on 26th July 2021. And but this Parivat motorcycle was to commemorate the 50 years of the Indo-Pakistan war. During that war, Bangladesh was created as a war between East and West Pakistan. So 1971 to 2021. So both our days are quite important in our history. So to commemorate that, Java's launched this motorcycle, the very same, with the paint shade of desert color, which looks quite striking and bold, as you can see. I kinda like this color more than the grey one. So there are some subtle differences between the standard Java motorcycle and this. So first and foremost, the engine casing, which is in powder coated black shade, and along with the exhaust and all the accessories, wheel tires and all, everything is black and powder coated, which looks quite bold and sporty. Apart from this, no change has been there in as far as accessories and the equipment as features are concerned. Nothing has been changed as of yet, but there are some certain tweaks that will allow me to show that. These are the tricolor flag of our India, and this is the logo of Indian Army, and Java has taken permission to put this on our motorcycles. So it's been written commemorating 50 years of the Indo-71 war victory. I think so Java is going to launch the standard model with this paint shade, I think so, as an optional extra, but the stickers and the fuel tank cap will not be included according to my opinion. See, the fuel tank cap looks quite interesting and quite neat. And in the speedometer, so there are certain differences between speedometer C 50, 70 and 150. So these are the small indications of speed are also included. So this is not included in the standard model. And the main difference is between this, the trip meter. If you want to see all the features between all the features and all the proper tour of this motorcycle, do check it out. Specs in the description, or if you don't want to read specs, just click the link below in description box. Will I have made a video on Java 42 2.1 model. So they more or less are exactly similar. So I'll show you the standard Java as well to show the differences between the both the motorcycles. So prices are 1,94,000 rupees ex showroom, which is around 14,000 more than the standard model. And here are some optional extras. For instance, we do get here as an optional accessory to flap, which looks quite sporty, and we do get panniers and the side guards as well as an optional extra. With the whole set of the bike will the bike will look quite stealthier. And with this also bike is looking quite good, but with that setup with the panniers installed, the bike will look even better. So I'll show you that picture as well. The paint shed quality is quite nice, and as you can see, the horn, it's a single horn unit, neatly tucked in. So this was a picture I was talking about with the panniers and the side guards for the crash protectors, which looks quite awesome in this picture. I am more towards the khaki color, so let me know what's your favorite color, the khaki color or the midnight grey color. So this was a small update from the House of Java, which they launched just today. So I'm bringing you the exclusive video of this motorcycle. So let's check out the standard model as well to know the differences between them. So this is the standard Java motorcycle. As you can see, the differences are quite substantial. First of all, the paint shade and the chrome housing, everything here is chrome and not on the limited edition model. And this, as you can see, the speedometer is different in this, and the trip meter is not here. It's available in 42.2.1 model, but not in this one. And in this we do get drum brakes. In that model we do get disc brakes, so that's another difference between. So for the pinstripes, you do get a sticker for the Indian Army, which looks quite interesting. So allow me to show the another motorcycle, which I was quite interesting to show because here are some accessories which are loaded on that motorcycle. So let's check it out that as well. I was talking about this motorcycle, the standard Java 42. Here is inclusion of alloy wheels and some panniers and luggage setup. The company called Golden Riders, where Java has collaborated with them for the genuine accessories for the motorcycle. And here we do get a small tank pad, which looks quite utilitarian. In this setup, bike looks quite utilitarian and ready for touring. So I want to show this very special motorcycle so that you should know about the accessories which is launched by Java for their customers. So if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit that bell icon, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram for the regular updates. And I must thank you Java for inviting me to see this bike in person so that I could cover this video for you guys. So see you around, my friends, and goodbye.